Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset on the Motorola Moto X Style and bypass the screen lock protection. First, switch off the device by holding the power key. Then tap power off and wait for it to shut down completely. Use the combination of keys, press and hold volume down. Then while holding it, press and hold the power button. Release both keys after about 5 seconds. The bootloader menu appears. Navigate using volume keys. Scroll down to recovery mode and confirm by pressing the power button. When the No Command logo appears, hold the power button and press volume up once. The Android system recovery appears. Navigate with volume keys. Scroll down to Wipe Data Factory Reset and confirm with the power key. Choose whether to delete user data only or user data and personalized content. Confirm with the power key. The phone is wiping data and formatting. When the recovery menu appears again, press the power key to reboot system now. Be patient. The operation takes a few minutes. The welcome panel appears, meaning the hard reset was successful. The screen lock protection has been removed. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe and leave a like under the video. Thank you for watching.